Looking for a robot vacuum that actually replaces manual cleaning, not just helps with it? Today we're taking a deep dive into the Roborock Qrevo CurvX, and this might be one of the most advanced all-in-one cleaning systems available right now. Let's start with a headline feature: 22,000 pascals of suction power. To put that into perspective, this is significantly more powerful than most robot vacuums on the market. And you can feel the difference immediately. Fine dust?
Gone.
Pet hair? No problem. Crumbs, debris, dirt trapped deep inside carpets. It handles all of it without hesitation. What's impressive is not just the power itself, but how consistently it performs across different surfaces. Whether you're cleaning hardwood, tiles, or thick carpets, the transition feels seamless. Now, let's talk about one of the most underrated but essential features, the zero-tangling brush system. If you've used robot vacuums before, you already know the struggle. Hair wrapped around the brush, constant maintenance, interruptions during cleaning. With the CurvX, that issue is almost completely eliminated. It's designed to actively prevent tangling, which means less maintenance and more uninterrupted cleaning. And honestly, that alone makes a huge difference in daily use. Now moving on to navigation. This is where the Reactive AI obstacle recognition comes into play, and it's not just a gimmick. The robot uses advanced sensors and AI to identify objects in real time. We're talking about cables, socks, shoes, furniture legs, even unexpected clutter. Instead of bumping into things or getting stuck, it smoothly navigates around them. And that changes everything. Because instead of preparing your home before every cleaning session, you just press start and let it do its job. That's real automation. Next, design and accessibility. At only 3.14 inches ultra-slim, the Qrevo CurvX can reach areas that most robot vacuums simply can't. Under sofas, under beds, under cabinets. These are the places where dust accumulates the most and usually gets ignored. But not here. This robot is built to go where others fail. Now let's talk about something that really elevates the experience: the AdaptiLift chassis. This feature allows the robot to dynamically adjust its height depending on the surface. It can climb over small obstacles, thresholds, and transitions between rooms without getting stuck. And more importantly, it does it smoothly. No awkward stops. No failed attempts. No interruptions. It just keeps moving. And that's exactly what you want from a premium device. Now we get to one of the most important parts, the mopping system. Because this is where the Qrevo CurvX becomes more than just a vacuum. It's equipped with automatic hot water mop washing and drying. Let that sink in. Hot water cleaning means better hygiene, deeper dirt removal, and no buildup of bacteria or odors. And after cleaning, the system automatically dries the mop, preventing that unpleasant damp smell that cheaper systems often have. But here's the real value. You don't have to do anything manually. The docking station handles everything. It washes the mop. It dries it. It prepares it for the next session. This is what true hands-free cleaning looks like. And once you experience it, it's very hard to go back. Now, let's talk about control and smart features. Through the Roborock app, you get full control over the entire system. You can schedule cleanings, adjust suction power, define specific zones, create no-go areas, and even customize cleaning routines for different rooms. Want a deeper clean in the kitchen?
Done.
Want a quiet mode at night?
Easy.
It adapts to your lifestyle, not the other way around. And that's what makes it feel like a true smart home device. Another important detail is efficiency and noise. Despite the extremely powerful suction, the Qrevo CurvX remains surprisingly quiet and refined. It doesn't feel aggressive or chaotic like some high-power models. Instead, it delivers a smooth, controlled cleaning experience, something you really appreciate in everyday use. Now, let's talk about real-life impact, because at the end of the day, that's what matters. This isn't just about features or specs. It's about time.
Time you save.
Effort you eliminate. Consistency you gain. Instead of thinking about cleaning, you simply don't. And that's a big shift, especially if you have a busy schedule, pets, or a large home. So, is it worth it? If you're looking for a robot vacuum that combines top-tier power, intelligent navigation, and true automation, The Roborock Qrevo CurvX is easily one of the best choices you can make in 2026. It's powerful, it's smart, and most importantly, it actually delivers on its promises. Backhand index pointing right, check the link in the description for the latest price and availability. And if you're ready to upgrade your home to a smarter level, this might be the easiest decision you make this year.